some time. So the site runs on PHP, so it holds some time to get the data. So there is no free account for this TikTok. Order. After that, you can after accepting that and proceeding to that, the domain will be added to your domain list. So now here I got this domain into my domain list in the top. So now I'm changing this the torrents 20.ga2 lifespan. So you can check that. I have opened the same link in the new tab of this free node. So after buying that for free, next I'm checking this torrent 20 to expand the lifespan. So same I am. So now I open this register a new domain in new tab. Register this domain in new tab. Here in the new tab, register domain. So now I'll check this domain. Now I'm going to check this domain, torrent torrents20.tk. So it shows me the price. So it shows me to upgrade it. So already I have it's for $9. So it shows for $9. So now what we need to do, we need to go to manage domains here. Manage domains. In manage domains, you need to click managing tools and you need to cancel the domain. And you need to click on the cancel domain. You need to click this cancel domain. Cancel this. After this canceling, I click this, and after this canceling, now you go to the again register domain, and now we will search it. for same domain name torrents20.tk. Now when I search it for register domain for the same domain, now it shows me to buy for again free. So you can see this. So the same domain I have buy, and now you can click this checking, and it is checking and it will be added, and the process will be same. And next we click for checkout, and it will go for the checkout page, and same you need to in the by default it will be for 3 months, so we need to expand that for 1 year, so it means 12 months. So basically it could be for 21/12. So from the previous it was expiring at first of this 21st, so I have expanded. So now I changed that for 12 months. I changed it for 12 months, and I click for place order, and after placing that, and the order will be confirmed. In the next step we need to agree the terms and conditions as previously we had agreed. And this is so here it comes. Yes, I agreed, and I made that, and this is my order that was confirmed successfully. So now I go to my domains, and I can see that domain and the expire and the